Hello and welcome to another Blender Vision tutorial where you can find a no-nonsense, direct, step-by-step approach to getting your tasks done. I'm Richard, you're you, and this time we're going to be looking at UV texturing basics. So, starting off with a simple scene setup, we have a floor and a wall. We'll ignore the floor and just concentrate on the wall. It's a very basic wall, but it's a wall. So with our wall selected, we will switch to the Materials tab and add a new material and call it something like Wall Material. And we'll bring the specularity down. We will go to the Texture tab, add a new texture, and we can call this something like Wall Texture. Not very inventive, I know, but it'll do the job. You can click open there and we can find a nice texture for our walls. I'll go for bricks. Go for reddish bricks. You'll be working with a different one, but try and get something similar. You can find these online. If you hit Z and go to materials, if you don't have this pie menu pop up, you can just go down to here and click on material. Or you can get this pie menu by going into user preferences and the add-ons, search for pie menu and check the little box. You can check out one of my other videos for that, how to do that. Okay, once we've done that, we want to click Control A to apply the scale, and then U.
Oh no!
And tab into edit mode, and then press U. And we're going to use cube projection for this because it is essentially a cube, and you can see the bricks have come up already. We just go down to our UV editor. You can see our layout here. We got the two long sides, we got the top and the bottom, and the ends are on top of each other right here. Down the bottom here you've got a vertices selection, which lets you select individual vertices. We've got edges, which is obviously pretty self-explanatory. We've got faces and we've got islands. We'll use islands for this. So we select one of the edges, pan this around up there. Or in fact, we'll press A twice to select everything and then scale up so that the bricks get smaller on the screen to about there. And we will zoom in just to see what it's like on the corner here. I haven't got the light in very good here, but I can just about see. So you want to select which one's the front. Is this the front? Nope, this one. There we are. Let's bring this down so we can see a bit more. Okay, so I want to press G and X, and we want to move this out so that it looks pretty convincing, like the start of a brick wall.
Very nice.
Yep, that'll do us. To move things around down here is the same as moving it around up there. You just press G, and you can press X to go back and forth, and Y to go up and down. For some reason down here you have to press Y to go up and down, whereas up here you press Z to go up and down and Y is back and forth. So take a note of that. But otherwise it's the same. S for scale, R for rotate, and all that good stuff. So coming back up here now, out of edit mode, we've pretty much done our wall now. But let's render that, and you can see it looks pretty flat and dull. I've got another lamp set up in layer 2, so I'll switch that on. Let's see that looks pretty flat and lifeless. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make this wall look a little more 3D without actually making it 3D. So scrolling down to the bottom of the texture tab, you will see geometry. Underneath that is normal. You want to select that, and you can see how lumpy it's gone there. You want to bring this down to something like minus 0.09 and hit enter, and there you can see that it gives it the illusion of a 3D brick surface. You can see the shadows are underneath each brick, but it's actually still a flat image. If I move this lamp around, you can see it's reacting with the light slightly. So if we render that, now it looks like a 3D wall.
Love that.
So lovely. So that's about all I'll show you for this video as a quick pointer, a quick starter for you, so you can start playing around with that yourself and see what you can come up with. In the next video, what I'll do is I'll put something else on here, like graffiti on this wall, so it's going to show you how to put multiple textures on the same surface. So the link for that will be at the end of this video in a couple of seconds, so make sure you click on that and check that out, because that's a handy little tip for you too. So there you go, thank you very much. My name's Richard. Ta-da. It's a wall.